What's good, guys? I hope you're doing amazing. Cardano is on a tipping point and it's hanging by a thread once again at that very critical support level that we've seen time and time again. So we're going to have a look at that today. A little bit of news around Cardano's roadmap and where we are as well. So stick around to the end of the video. And also down below you can buy Cardano if you wish to, because I believe personally it's a great time to dollar cost average in on Cardano at the moment with this buying opportunity we are presented with. So what's happening is crypto bubbles. So, you know, market cap over the week, we are down, we're capitulating a little bit. We've had some fantastic pumps over the last few days. If we go to the monthly though, we're still looking extremely bullish. You know, ADA up 30%, Bitcoin up 4%. A lot of layer one infrastructures are also up. So there's nothing really to feel too bearish about. We're just having a little bit of a pullback at the moment. The crypto fear and greed index sits at 37, so we're a little bit fearful. And what's amazing is if you look at exactly 1 year ago today, we were sitting in greed at these exact same total market capitalization price levels. So that's very important to also know, is that these levels of fear and greed are completely changing over time as we see more adoption take place in the market. And what I really want to look at quickly is just what Cardano is doing. So status update on the Cardano roadmap, April 8, 2022, the core technology. So we can see this week the team finalized the pipelining MVP in the Ouroboros consensus repository. They also inspected some memory consumption properties along with hard fork combinator and functionality in regards to UTXO-HD and update. They then updated two important sets of tests for UTXO-HD, which include golden tests for ledger tables and ledger DB. The team are now assessing the tests to decide which to include for the MVP. So they're super transparent about all their updates. You can check their roadmap to see what's going on. They're working on the smart contract as well. The governance too, which is a completely different phase. And I think it's safe to say with these stats right here, it's probably a good thing to remain bullish on Cardano. Over 5,000 NFT projects, literally 4.2 million native tokens, 45 projects launched on the Cardano ecosystem, and it's just the beginning. Projects building on it right now, 892. So Cardano is here to stay. It's one for the future, guys. Don't be afraid when you see these pullbacks to invest in such a strong coin. We can see Cardano is $1.08 today, ranked 9 still with a 35.5 billion market cap. We can see that 24-hour trading volume is 407 million, so still getting a lot of trading volume. It's pretty good. What I'm particularly worried about right now, if we just zoom out, look at this critical support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6 tap downs on that $1.04 level. So we're just hovering above that $1.04 sort of support level, and hopefully we don't come back down to the 0.77 territory. I'd like to see a nice bounce here, maybe a retest of $1.23. I mean, we look at 2021. 2021 is a relatively red year for Cardano. 2020 was the big explosive year when people really started adopting and buying it. But it looks like Cardano's never really offered many months of green in one single row. Already into 2022, we've got a red month right here. So hopefully the rest of 2022 is going to offer a bit more prosperity. And I think these undervaluation phases, because we're in these bearful markets at the moment, do present good times for holding through maybe a quarter, maybe 2 quarters, maybe a year, or even 2 years. It will make a good investment. So what you see today can look much better in 2-3 years time when we see the rest of crypto climbing up. And this is the chart for Cardano right now. We obviously had our beautiful $3.10 all-time high. How those days are so very much missed. And you can see we corrected to 76%. And why am I looking at Cardano right now? Because we're back in this channel. You see this little channel, this range between $1.04 and $1.21. This is my potential accumulation channel, and anything underneath, I always try to buy more Cardano. So if we come back down to 0.8, I will be buying more Cardano, because I believe personally it's a very good dollar cost averaging level. We can see what's going on at the moment is we had this ascending triangle, we lost the support, and we come back down and tapped exactly on that $1.04 support level, which also links back to 22nd July 2021. We got all these capitulation wicks, wick, lots of wicks, you know, lots of big volatility and wicks in the market right now. We're under the 20-day moving average. We're still very much under the 200-day moving average, which is this white line here. And the sad thing is we get rejected at that bull market support band as we got the golden cross. So it was just completely blue balling the whole of the crypto market, and we're back under the 20-day moving average. So if we can hold the line here, hopefully we will see more movement to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, we don't really have any bearish divergence anymore. It played off now where we had the high on the price and the lower high on the RSI, but it looks like if we can hold this particular level on this 2-hour chart, maybe, just maybe, we're going to get another pump to the upside. Lots of resistance here, but we've got a bit of an ascending triangle in the works for Cardano right now. So if we break through this $1.09 level, expect a nice pump, maybe to about $1.14. So keep an eye on this beautiful ascending triangle in the 1-hour time frame where we were oversold on the RSI, which represented a good buying opportunity. I hope Cardano does bump to the upside. I would speculate that it's going to do something kind of like this in the next few hours, or maybe even in the next few days. Of course, we can lose support, and if we do lose support at this particular $1.07 level, we'll be coming down to about $1.04 and retesting that support level before potential movement to the downside. Now, typically, ascending triangles are bullish patterns, and for a technical price target here, if you want to take a long position on the trading side of things, you can wait for the breakout at $1.98, and if you want to be extra risky, you could even buy in now for even more pumpage. The technical target is going to be around $1.15 for a 5% long position over there, guys. So this is what I'm seeing for Cardano. 2-hour time frame looks pretty bullish with this nice ascending triangle setup. So keep an eye on that. If we zoom out and look at the long-term opportunities, what can happen here of Cardano? Well, we need to retest this $1.22 level before coming up and retesting 126, moving forward to 133. So I do think it's possible that this particular month can give very, very big returns. If we look at the swing high here, jot it up to this one, look at this low over here to swing low, it's also a bit of a rising wedge play out, which is typically a bearish pattern. So it's probably a good thing that we can trade sideways for a little bit to keep these lines from converging on each other. That means we're going to see a stronger uptrend in the future. But yeah, otherwise very, very bullish on Cardano. I think we'll definitely be getting back to at least $2 at some point this year. So this is just another bearish wave with lots of, anxiety and crippling depression. So keep your eyes peeled on the markets, wait for these great opportunities that we see. This is technically, for me, a buying opportunity for Cardano at $1.07 when I see the RSI this low. And if we do come any lower, around 80 cents, I will be buying more Cardano. I'll be absolutely buying more Cardano when I see it come down to these lower levels. 0.79 is a bargain. Warm-up prices right there. If you enjoyed this video, do smash the thumbs up, guys. Come say hello in the Discord channel. We've got around 200 people in here now. Everyone is really friendly. We all just have a laugh and chat. And if you want to buy Cardano, check the link down below. Don't forget to look at the Lucky Block crypto giveaway and games platform as well. You can see that down in the comments. Really good stuff. Take care, guys. Bye now.